Hello dear student, welcome to Chem Class Academy. Today I am going to explain part of basic organ chemistry, that is what is chemistry or definition of chemistry. Basic organic chemistry, that is what is chemistry or definition of chemistry. First, you know the meaning of chemistry. The meaning of chemistry. Let us see here. Chemistry. Chem mean combining form. And history mean the study of combining form. The chemistry meaning chem mean combining form, history mean the study of combining form. Okay, now which is combining form? Which is combining form? Here the elements are combining form. The elements are combining. The elements are combining. Elements are combining. Elements are combining. Now the elements are combining to give molecules. Elements are combining to give molecules. Elements are combined. Elements are combined to give molecules. To give molecules. But now, chem mean combining form, history mean the study of combining form. So here, which is combined? Which is combined? Here the elements are combining to give molecules. Elements are combining to give molecules. Let us see here the elements, but elements, similar elements and different elements are combined to give molecules. For example, similar elements, these are similar elements give molecules, and these are similar elements. These are different elements. Different elements combined give. Elements are combined to give difference or similar. Similar and different elements. Elements are combined to give molecules. For example, oxygen plus argon. Both are similar elements. Both are same elements give molecules, and again different elements give water. But here different elements and here similar elements. So the main combining form, the concept is the elements are combined to give molecules or compounds. molecules or compounds. 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 Okay. Now, the elements, molecules or compound, where are the present? Elements, molecules or compounds, where are the present? They are present in matter. They are present in matter. They are present in matter. Elements and molecules or compounds, these are present in the matter. Elements and molecules, compounds are present in the matter. So, some people tells the chemistry is the study of elements and the study of molecules. But here, elements and molecules or compounds are present in the matter. Elements, molecules, compounds are present in the matter. So that's why now the chemistry is study of matter. But not only the chemistry is not only study of elements, not only study of molecules, it is also study of matter. Chemistry is it is study of also matter. So now give what is matter. The statement see here statement. The matter is everything in this universe. The matter is anything in this universe that is occupied by occupied space and has some mass such thing is called matter. Is called matter. So here main the matter is occupied space as some mass. Okay, for example, our body, table, chair, everything is matter because everything is occupied space and some mass. So that is matter. Okay. Now elements, molecules or compounds are present in the matter. So I told the chemistry is the study of elements and study of molecules. They are thinking. So now both elements, molecules, compounds are present in the matter. Now I give exact definition of chemistry, but here the chemistry is a branch of science science, branch of science. It's deal, deals with properties, composition, and structure of the matter. Structure of the matter is known as chemistry. Is known as chemistry. Is known as chemistry. Finally, the matter is all about the chemistry is all about matter. The study of matter is chemistry. Now, for example, chalk paste. You can take chalk paste. The properties is chalk paste is a matter. The properties is color. Generally, chalk paste is white color. So that is one of the properties. Next, the composition. The composition, for example, chalk paste is composed by calcium carbonate. And structure. The study about structure. So this is called chemistry. So it is exact definition of chemistry about this information. Okay. Thank you very much.